All right, let's set up our environment here. First is the folder structure. So I have a terminal window open. I created like a tutorials, and I made here this folder, the de facto v2, and we're gonna build everything in there. I'm not gonna create these. We're gonna do that with the generator, but that's the next step. Then what we're going to need to manage, because we're going to have so many different languages, we're going to need kind of a a language manager for all the languages that we're going to have, right? And we're going to use ASTF, which has Erlang and Elixir and so on. There's another one for Node. I forget the name of it, but also lets you install Node version 20 or 12 or 18. It kind of lets you move it around in an easy way. And that's the same reason why we're going to use this, right? So if you look here at the documentation of ASTF, so it's lets you run kind of lots of them. If you go to the different the documentation, you're going to see the plugins, because ASTF is built on this plugin system. So each language is going to be a new plugin. So we have here Erlang, and it's going to set you off to another repo, and it has instructions there how to install it. I'm not going to cover all those details here, but the most important is that you have this plugins installed. Like for instance, here I have Elixir, and I have all these versions that are installed, Erlang, all these versions, and so on. And it just lets you move around different versions whenever you need them. Okay, here I think we're just going to need the latest here. So that should be quite easy to find a tutorial walking you through all that.